In this tutorial, we're going to learn about string concatenation in Python. Here, we're asking the user for their name and age using the input function. We then use the plus operator to concatenate the strings and print out the result. As you can see, we combine the string hello with the user's name and age using the plus operator to create a new string. Let's look at another example. Here, we're creating two variables, first underscore name and last underscore name, and then concatenating them using the plus operator and a space character to create a new variable called full underscore name. We then print out the result using another concatenation. As you can see, we have concatenated the first name and the last name variables to create the full name variable. You can also concatenate strings by using the plus equals operator. Let's see an example. Here, we're starting with the string I love and then using the plus equals operator to add the string Python to the end of it. The result is a new string that contains both strings. That's it for string concatenation in Python. It's a simple concept but very useful in programming.